I'm here today at Comcast headquarters in Houston for the Team Up event, partnering with U.S. vets, and going to package a lot of great stuff to give to our veterans.
We were able to put together gratitude kits that contained health and wellness materials, and it was for those veterans who are with the U.S. Vets Campus.
So when they open up this box, not only is it something as basic as socks to keep their feet warm, but it's also something to do, something to read, and some appreciation for their service.
Care kits can make all the difference in the world. If you're in an undeveloped combat zone, as we often call them, you don't have the basic needs.
I know what it feels like to get something that you didn't expect. And I know what it's like to suddenly be thanked for something that you did willingly. You were happy to do it, proud to do it, but somebody noticed and somebody sent you a nice note.
The Robert Irvine Foundation travels the globe, and I think my job was to beat the drum to let people know what our military does and continue to do that. The room behind me is putting individual stuff into a bag to go to somebody they don't know. And I think that's the biggest thing, service above self.
It's interesting to see how people pour their hearts out so quickly on a veteran's note. They don't know them, they don't know what their service was. It doesn't change the amount that they care about that veteran. So there was a lot of great messages written down, and I just know that when somebody opens that up, it's going to change the way they feel.
Comcast is an amazing organization. We care about the communities we serve, and we do more than just provide them services. We go out and determine the needs of the community and support that community. And we share such a like mindset with our military community.
It's a company with a conscience, and that's what I love.